Lock yourself in a room until you make at least $10,000 a month. My name's Fred. I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. In fact, I had my first $1,000 day when I was 21 years old and my first $2,600 a day at 22. And look, I'm not special. I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to get there because most people are lying to you about this stuff. They're trying to sell you some passive income dream that doesn't exist, or they're telling you to grind yourself into the ground, working 100 hours a week, or invest $200 a month in the stock market passively to hopefully maybe one day retire rich. But luckily for us, there is a much better way. Here's the thing about making $10,000 a month that nobody tells you. You don't just wake up one day and suddenly you're making 10K. That's not how any of this works. You need to break down this goal into smaller milestones that you can actually wrap your head around and achieve. Think about it like this. You don't run a marathon when you've never ran before in your entire life, right? You start by walking, then you start running short distances. You run 2 kilometers, then 3 kilometers, then you hit your first 5K. Life always works in milestones. Everything that ends up big, gigantic started small. Look at some of the biggest companies in the world. Amazon started selling books out of a garage. Apple started in Steve Jobs' parents' house. These weren't billion-dollar companies on day one. They built up to it step by step. So let's apply this to you making $10,000 a month. If you're selling a product for $1,000, making $10,000 a month means making 10 sales. That's it. Only 10 sales. Now let's break that down even further. That's about 2 to 3 sales per week. When you look at it like that, it doesn't seem impossible anymore, does it? But here's where most people mess up. They look at the $10,000 goal and they freeze because it feels too big. Or they try to jump straight to it without understanding the fundamentals. You need to build the foundation first. Maybe your first milestone is making your first $100 online, then $500, then your first $1,000. Each milestone teaches you something and builds your confidence for the next level. It's like in a video game. First you fight the easy bosses and then it gets a bit more difficult and a bit more difficult. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, let's talk about what you're actually doing during this time when you lock yourself in a room or your office. And I need to destroy this hustle culture nonsense right now. You do not need to work 24/7 if you want to get rich. That's just stupid and it's not sustainable. The truth is, during some periods of your life, there will be lots of work to be done. You'll have intense periods where you're grinding hard on your business, and during other periods of your life, there will almost be no work to be done, and that's completely fine and normal. One thing you'll see is that the wealthier you get, not only the easier it becomes to print more money, but the less you will need to be directly involved too. As I often say, you'll never grind as hard as when you're broke trying to get rich. But once you get there, oh my, life becomes insane in the best of ways. What you should be focusing on are only 3 things. Number 1, working on the things you need within your business to grow it. That's your client acquisition, your sales, your product delivery, your systems, the stuff that actually moves the needle. Number 2, learning about business, investing, finances, taxes, all the knowledge you need to build and protect wealth. And number 3, recharging your batteries, taking care of yourself, spending time doing hobbies or with the people that you love. That's it. You only need to do these things. If what you're doing doesn't fit into one of these 3 buckets, you shouldn't be doing it. Cut it out. Eliminate it. Your time is your most valuable asset, and you're wasting it on nonsense that won't help you get the life you want or make you wiser or happier. So what's the point? The key to focusing and producing high-quality work is to eliminate distractions and create a controlled environment. I'm not saying you need to become a monk or a control freak and never have fun ever again. I'm saying when you're in work mode, you're actually working. You're not scrolling social media. You're not watching some random funny videos. You're not texting your friends every 5 minutes. You're laser focused on the task that's going to make you money. When you're in learning mode, you're actually learning from people who have done what you want to do, who've got the kind of results that you want for yourself. And when you're in recharge mode, you're fully present with whatever you're doing. You're not half working and half relaxing, because that is how you burn out and accomplish nothing. Look, the goal isn't just to lock yourself in your room or office and work all day every day for the sake of it. We're not going to do this as some weird challenge. We need to set clear, measurable goals with actual plans behind them. Don't just say, oh, I'll make $1 million next year. Cool story. But what's your actual plan? How are you breaking that down into monthly goals, then weekly goals, then daily actions? How long are you going to do this period of focused work for? A few weeks, months, years? What do you hope to have achieved by the end of it? Let me give you an example. Let's say your goal is to make $10,000 a month within 6 months from now. Break that down. Month 1, maybe your goal is to validate your offer and get your first 3 clients at $1,000 each. Maybe by month 2, you want to refine your process and get 5 customers. In month 3, maybe scale to 7 clients. You see what I'm doing here? Each month has a specific measurable target. Then you break that down into weekly goals. If you need 5 clients a month, that's roughly 1 to 2 clients per week. Then you break it down into daily goals, daily actions. What actions do you need to take every single day to get those clients? Maybe it's reaching out to 20 potential clients. Maybe it's creating content that attracts your ideal customer. Maybe it's following up with people who showed interest. The point is, you have a clear plan that connects your daily actions to your big goal. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, how you actually make the money. If you want to get rich quick, and by quick, I mean between 2 to 7 years to make your first million, you cannot follow traditional investing advice. You can't just keep buying a Starbucks coffee and not go on vacation and invest $100 to $300 a month in the stock market and expect to be rich in just a few years. I'm sorry to say it doesn't work like that. The math doesn't add up. Now, don't get me wrong, the stock market is a fantastic tool to make your money work for you, which is what rich people do. But you're not at that level yet. You don't yet have the capital to make those investments meaningful. What you need to do is focus on active income generation methods. There's only really 2 paths here. Option 1, you learn high income skills like sales, copywriting, client acquisition, project management, all these skills that companies will pay big money for. And you can get employed by a big company. The problem with this route is there are limits to how much you can earn. You might get to $100,000 or $200,000 a year if you're really good, but there's a ceiling. You also don't have geographical freedom. You can't control your time. You're trading hours for dollars at the end of the day, even if those dollars are pretty good. Option 2, and this is the one I recommend, you learn those same high income skills, and then you start your own business with them. Now you've got unlimited potential. If you're good at sales and you start a consulting business, there's no cap on how much you can make. If you're good at copywriting and you start an agency, you can scale that as big as you want. The skills are the same. The difference is you own the business. You control your time. You control your income. You make the rules. This is how you go from 0 to your first million in just a few years. Not by being an employee, not by passive investing with money you don't have, by building a business that generates active income that you can then reinvest and use to scale the business. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And here's the final piece that ties everything together. At the end of the day, what matters most if you want to be successful and become a millionaire in just a few years is to go the extra mile, to do what no one else is willing to do. You don't get rich by doing what the bottom 99% of people are doing. It just doesn't work like that. Think about it. The average person watches hours of Netflix every night. They scroll social media for hours. They complain about their job, but never actually build skills or take action to change their situation. They dream about being rich, but they're not willing to put in focused work for 6 months straight. They want the results without the process. If you want to get different results, you need to do different things. When everyone else is watching TV late at night, you're working on your business or learning a new skill. When everyone else is sleeping in on the weekends, you're up early making sales calls or creating content. When everyone else is making excuses about why they can't start, you're already 3 months into building your business. This isn't about being better than other people. This is about being better than your old self. This is about wanting more, being more disciplined, being more focused, being willing to sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term freedom. Locking yourself in a room until you make $10,000 a month isn't about just isolation for the sake of it. It's about focus. It's about eliminating all the noise and distractions that keep you broke and average. It's about saying no to the things that don't serve your goals. It's about being so committed to changing your life that you're willing to do whatever it takes within those walls to make it happen. Your friends will probably not understand. Your family might think you're crazy. Random people online will definitely have opinions. None of that matters. What matters is the person you're becoming through this process. What matters is the skills you're building. What matters is the business you're creating. What matters is the freedom you're going to have when you hit that $10,000 a month mark and then keep scaling past it. So here's my challenge to you. Pick your timeline. 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever makes sense for your situation. Set your clear goal and then break it down into milestones to make it more achievable. Eliminate all distractions and focus on active income generation. And lastly, go the extra mile every single day with no excuses. Do what others want so you can live how others can't. Your future self will thank you for the sacrifices you're making today. I can guarantee it. If you'd like me to help you build a profitable online business starting from scratch, even with limited money and time, check out the free training I made for you in the description. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you to implement everything step by step so you can get your first sales as quickly as possible. Be quick, we have very limited spots. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.